time I visit you, we go too far. My careful, clean living ways, well, they all go out the window and you lead me astray. And when those jet engines sing out their lovely tune, Captain tells me we'll be touching down in Darwin soon. You can have your wicked way with me when I'm back in the territory. A double rum and songs, well, it changes me from 33 to 20 again. And I should settle and go back home. Oh, but nothing makes me want you more when I'm back in your arms. And when those jet engines sing out their lovely tune, Captain tells me we'll be touching down in Darwin soon. You can have your wicked way with me when I'm back in the territory. My suitcase, it sadly closes. I should wake up and smell the roses and go home. And those jet engines cry when I wave goodbye. Captain tells me we'll